Mark out here. Thanks so much for joining us on Fox News.
I like your outfit today. You look very nice.
Well, so do you.
I mean, not that you always don't look fabulous, but you look great.
You're an interesting guy. Ladies, pay attention because we're about to give you some fashion advice for your wardrobe that you cannot afford to miss.
Well, right now we're joined by our good friend Anthony Simons from the Charlotte Fashion Week.
Simmons.
The always dapper, the always debonair Anthony is here, and he's highlighting a very talented local designer, Model 1 JC Model.
Oh, my
God! Screwed it up.
Are you being serious?
You have to introduce the design.
I'm playing,
Oh, my
sweetie. I'm playing.
goodness.
How are you? I'm Mark.
Elizabeth, thank you so much for joining us.
Elizabeth Nehart.
Nehart. All right, so tell us a little bit about your style.
I like really fun, bright prints, cocktail dresses, a lot of silk.
How long have you been doing this? How long? When did you get started? How long have you been doing it?
About 3 years. I studied fashion in Paris and came back, and I've been making custom dresses.
Wow.
Studying fashion in Paris. So
Yes.
why are you hitting the Charlotte market with your style?
I grew up in North Carolina and wanted to come back.
Now, when did you go to school? Like when you say you went to Paris, when you graduated high school, did you just head on out to Paris, or did you go to school?
I studied at Meredith College in Raleigh,
Okay.
and I studied abroad in Paris.
All right. What makes her
Went back
design
when I
so unique?
graduated.
What brings out this stuff?
Well, you know, I mean, I'm a favorite of just new designers that just have some creativity, and she uses some great colors and patterns, and she does a lot of different things, from cocktail dresses to evening dresses and even wedding dresses as well. So she's got a lot of different styles.
She's got a wedding dress here. I'm very excited about that. She's got some real good destination wedding looks. So let's talk about our first model. We already heard her name, JC.
I really was just, I was about to say screwing around.
Yeah. All right.
JC. All right, hello.
All right, let's take a look at Jessie. This is adorable, and it seems like the A-line or the asymmetrical dresses are so in right now. Tell us about it.
Yes, this is the hand-printed black silk cocktail dress, perfect to wear out. Night out in the town or special cocktail party.
She looks awesome. So could you get away with this even in January? Is this more so buy now, wear this spring and summer?
Now I think for a black dress, you probably could wear it all year round. Wear it with some tights and a cute wrap.
Really? You could wear something like that all the way, with some leggings or tights, as you
with some
say?
tights.
Yeah. Okay.
We
all
love
right.
the look.
Model 2 is Courtney. Thank you. Model 2 is Courtney. Hi, Courtney.
Tell us a little bit about Courtney's style. Where would she be going with a dress like this?
This is a fun dress for a trip to the Bahamas.
Yeah.
A fun party at the beach. Even a summer wedding. It's very fun, bright print, very flattering.
So last year it seemed like this style was in, the real long bohemian, somewhat styled dresses. You think this is going to be coming back for 2010 summer too?
I think it'll be sticking around for a little while.
Yeah.
Very flattering. Yeah.
I like it. Some people can't handle the print. Is that hard? Can anybody take on a print like that, do you think, Anthony? Or
Well, not anybody. I think this particular print, you know, really matches her skin tone very well, and it's bright, it's fun. You know, not everyone could wear certain prints, but that one I think looks
When
really
you were
nice.
deciding on this, like, do you have a vision in mind, and then you seek out the fabric, or do you seek the fabric and then come up with the dress?
Usually I look for the fabrics, and when I look at a fabric, it inspires me
Yeah.
to design something.
All right.
how cool. All right, let's take a look at the gorgeous model number 3. This is our wedding dress. This is something that you do specialize in, correct?
Yes, it is. I'm trying to get into custom wedding dresses.
Okay, all
So
right.
I've done several, and I'm looking to find more clients in the area and keep making dresses.
Absolutely. This is gorgeous. Tell us a little bit about this dress.
The top is several different silks that we put together, or laces that we put together, sorry. And it's a silk with a chiffon overlay, added a little black sash and a fun necklace, kind of give it a little edge.
Now,
make it
is
pop.
black something, and I don't know, I've never been married, as Tara points out, but was the black something that's coming back to weddings? I mean, I've never seen black in weddings, so it's just a question.
Well, the accent with the sash is something that we've been seeing quite frequently. You know, we've got several designers who have been adopting that style in different colors, in fact, black,
We can
brown.
match your bridesmaids as well.
Oh, okay.
It'll tie into your bridesmaids. It looks good. It actually
And the
seems like
groom's
a
tie.
similar, yes, exactly. And it actually looks like a similar material to what we found in the first dress with
It's
JC.
the same.
So that
you
would
could
be a
actually
perfect
pair
little
the
match
two
then.
together.
Absolutely. Ladies, come on back. We're going to take one last look at these beautiful styles. Can we find you online? Do you have a website?
Yes, you can go to my website. It's www.jennybyelizabeth.com. And Jenny is G-I-N-I.
Oh,
G-I-N-I, JennyByElizabeth.com.
We wish you the best of luck. These looks are absolutely gorgeous. Models, thanks so much for being in with us early this morning. And
Fantastic.
Anthony, another great designer.
Thank you.
Right here in our Queen City. So check her out. Make sure to get online.
All right, well, as we continue, make your career move forward in the new year.
And up next, Andrea Seymour from Account Temps has the 10 goals you should set and achieve to climb the corporate ladder. We'll be right back. Ashley, how would you like to win free golf for a year? Anthony, would you like that?
Sure.
Yeah, I think anybody would. Well, here on Rising, we're making that happen.
We'll pick 3 winners for a round of golf in Myrtle Beach, and then we'll pick a grand prize winner for a year of Myrtle Beach golf visits. The full contest rules are at Fox Charlotte.